In this video, I will show you step by step how you can password protect a file on Google Drive. So without further ado, let's jump straight into it. Now, as you can see, I am on my Google Drive right here. Now, if I want to password protect one of my files, what I can do is right click on the one that I want to password protect. It will then bring this up. You can then go over to share, click on the share option. And Google Drive do this a little bit different compared to most other websites. Now, what we want to do is we want to go down, we want to click on the general access link and then click on the drop down menu and then select restricted. Once we do this, it will now say only people with access can open with the link. Now, to grant people access, what we need to do is we need to go to the top right here, click on this, and then you then want to add someone into the access link. Now, we can go ahead and put in my email. Select the person right here, and then you can then click on send. Once we select send, you will then, if we go back over to here, click on share, you will now see that this person has got access to this specific file. Now, this is the only way that you can password protect a file on Google Drive at the moment. So if this video did help you out, guys, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.